Want to run Windows applications and games online without complicated installations? With Winfy, it's easier than ever. In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to use this amazing emulator based on Wine. First, visit the official Winfy website at winfy.net. Once there, navigate to the section dedicated to the Wine Emulator. This is where you'll be able to start running your Windows applications and games online. If you're new, easily register with your email. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once inside, explore the library or upload your own Windows applications or games. Winfy processes everything in the cloud, so you don't need a high-performance system. If your application needs adjustments, Winfy allows you to customize settings, like choosing a Windows version or installing additional components. That's it. Click Enter and start using your application or game directly from your browser. Whether you're on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, Wine makes it seamless. With Wine, accessing your Windows applications and games from any device is easier than you imagine. Explore its online capabilities and take advantage of its flexibility to work and play across platforms.